Executor, I know that you were reluctant to leave Ire in this dark hour, and that you still grieve for the loss of your comrade, Fenix. But remember that he lived and died as a Templar. He has reached the Kala's end. There is no greater glory than that. We Judicator are called to look beyond such matters, to ensure the safety and future of our people. It is not the Zerg, but the rogue Tassadar, who represents the greatest threat to us now. If he is allowed to spread the Dark Templar's tainted influence to Ire, all will be lost. We will find him and bring him to judgment. Tassadar claimed that this world was abandoned by the Zerg just prior to the invasion of Ire. Yet I still sense a lingering darkness here. Be prepared for anything, Executor. If there are still Zerg on this world, then they must surely know of our arrival.
Make use of G-House. Your thoughts. Receiving. First, confirmed. I am needed. Your thoughts. Input command. Confirmed. Commencing. G-House. Galaxians, Galaxians, distinct instructions is far too negligence.
You've not enough minerals.
Executor, how is it that you've come here? I was about to abandon all hope of rescue.
I have come to arrest you and bring you home to Aya to stand trial.
Arrest me? Ire burns at the touch of the Zerg. You travel all this way to arrest me?
Don't let it get to you, man. It's happened to me once.
Who is this human, Tassadar?
The name's Jim Raynor, pal. And I won't be talked down to by anybody. Not even a Protoss.
Amusing. Tassadar, your taste in companions grows ever more inexplicable. Executor, prepare to take Tassadar into
Executor,
custody.
wait. I do not know what they have told you about me. But what I have done for Ire. Help me find Zeratul and his Dark Templar. They alone can defeat the Overmind Cerements. Once we have won, I shall gladly submit myself to the judgment of the Conclave.
Unthinkable. You presume that we would side with the Dark Ones as you have? You have gone quite mad, Tassadar.
You shall speak of them with respect, Aldaris. Executor, there is much that I can explain to you. If only you'll help me find Zeratul. House.
Surrounded.
Thus I serve,
This is Jimmy.
You've not enough minerals.
Calls. Receiving. Awaiting instructions. I long for combat.
Raynor here.
I long for combat. What now calls? Receiving. Initiating. 1.
Anytime you're ready. This should be good. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. Raynor here. This is Jimmy. Right on.
Yes, Executor.
Anytime you're ready. Raynor here. Right on. Raynor here. Sounds fun. Right on. Anytime you're ready.
My life for Ire is all too honored
Raynor
by
here.
me.
This is Jimmy.
I long for combat.
Warriors have engaged the enemy.
Instructions.
Not enough minerals.
I long for combat. Galaxians. I am needed. I long for combat. Galaxians. What now calls? Galaxians.
Yes, Executor. Yes, Executor.
You've not enough minerals.
enough minerals.
Go ahead, Commander.
I long for combat.
Right on.
My life for hire. Thus I serve. Not enough minerals. What now calls? Honor guide me for immediate instructions. We saw tools. You've not enough minerals. My life for hire is all too.
I hear you. I hear you.
Commander.
What now calls? Meteor confirmed. Transmit. Upgrade complete. Confirmed. I heed thy call.
How may I help?
You've not enough minerals. I have returned. Receiving. I am needed. Your thoughts.
Yes, Executor?
Anytime you're ready.
I have returned. You've not enough minerals.
Go ahead, Commander.
My life for hire. Awaiting instructions. My life for hire. She house. Go Gola. I heed thy call. Talk. Your thoughts. I have returned. Awaiting instructions. Steep thy bidding. I have returned.
Rainer here. Go ahead, Commander. Oh, yeah.
I long for combat. My life for hire. I long for combat. You must construct additional pylons. You've not enough minerals. I long for combat. Awaiting instructions. Saw two. Receiving.
Go ahead, Commander. Sounds fun.
Make use of me. Confirmed. Commencing. Receiving. Confirmed. Initiating. Chaos. Transmitting. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. I am needed. He saw two.
Go ahead,
I
Commander.
long for combat. You have not enough minerals.
This should be
Instructions. The warriors have engaged the enemy.
This is Jimmy.
Receiving. We are under attack. He saw two. Transmitting.
Anytime you're ready.
Awaiting instructions for combat. Commencing. Confirmed. What now? hand calls. Thus I serve. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Guide me. You've not lost minerals. I long for combat.
This is Jimmy.
Life for ire.
Anytime you're ready.
You must construct additional pylons. You've not enough minerals. Thus I serve.
Anytime you're ready.
What man calls? Additional pylons. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Sounds fun.
You must construct additional pylons.
Anytime you're ready. Oh yeah. This should be good.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
So your will?
It's all too waiting.
This is Jimmy.
My life for ire. You require sufficient gas. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. What man calls? Thus I serve. My life for ire. I long for combat. It's all too awaiting instructions. Make use of what man calls. Your warriors have
Raider here.
engaged the enemy. It's all too
Anytime you're ready. Raider here. Oh yeah. This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Anytime you're ready. This should be good. Oh yeah.
We are under attack.
Raider here.
You have my thanks, Executor. Now let us find Zeratul and speed our way home.